Good day, my dear. Today, I want to be writing 2000 and 2020 in Roman numerals. 2000 to 2020 in Roman numerals. Now, the basic or the foundation that we need to understand is that 1000 represents M in Roman numeral. So it is on this that we are going to be writing our 2000 to 2020 in Roman numerals. Don't forget, M means 1000 in Roman numerals. So if we start from 2000, 2000 is 1000 plus 1000, which is let me just use this M plus M. So that means 2000 will be written as M. So MM is what? Is 2000. So the next one is to look at 2001. So 2001 will be MMI. 2002 will be, that means 1000 plus 1000 plus 2, which is MMII. 2003 will be MMII. 2004 will be no voice, IV. So 2005 will be this 2005 is what? MMV is 2005. Now to 2006. So 2006 will be M6 is VI. 2007 will be MVII. 2008 will be MVII. 2009 will be M9 is IX. 2010 will be M10 is what? Is X. So it remains 2011. 2011 is MXI. 2012 is MXII. 2013 is MXIII. 2014 will be M14 is XIV. 2015 is X15 is XV. So it remains 2016, 2020. Here we're going to stop. 2016 will be XVI. 2017 will be MXVII. 2018 will be MXVIII. 2019 will be MXIX. X is 10, XI is 9. So 10 plus 9 is 90. So this is 2019. 2020 is XX. 20 is XX. And that's the end for today's tutorial.